Clean beauty is a growing trend in skincare. It focuses on products made without harmful ingredients like parabens and sulfates. These products are often cruelty-free and vegan. They use sustainably sourced ingredients. The goal is to promote skin health without toxins. Clean beauty also cares for the environment. Many products on the market claim to be natural or organic, but that doesn't always mean they're completely free of harmful chemicals. Look out for certain key ingredients to avoid, such as parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic fragrances, and petroleum-based compounds. Another great option when it comes to clean beauty is trying out DIY skincare. You don't always need to buy expensive products when you can make some at home using natural ingredients. For example, you can create a simple hydrating face mask using just avocado, honey, and yogurt. Or if you're into exfoliation, mix brown sugar with olive oil for a gentle, all-natural scrub. These DIY options are cost-effective, customizable, and completely free of harmful chemical. I'm not the only one loving these brands. Let's hear what other people have to say. Here are some quick reviews from customers who have tried these clean beauty products and seen real results. For example, one user shared that Tata Harper's Regenerating Cleanser helped clear up her skin after years of irritation from synthetic products. Another review for Biosense's Squalane plus Vitamin C Rose Oil highlights how it gave their skin a radiant glow without feeling greasy. These testimonials show how clean beauty can work for a variety of skin types and concerns. Clean beauty doesn't always have to come with a high price tag. While many premium brands have made a name for themselves, there are some amazing budget-friendly clean beauty brands out there too. Brands like The Ordinary and Versed offer high-quality, non-toxic skincare at affordable prices. Many clean beauty brands use powerful plant-based ingredients that can be just as effective, if not more, than synthetic alternatives. Another misconception is that all natural means allergy-free, but that's not always the case. Even natural ingredients like essential oils can cause irritation for some people, so it's important to patch test products and see how your skin reacts. Clean beauty is about finding what works best for you. Now let's explore some top clean skincare brands. First on the list is Tata Harper. This brand is a pioneer in clean beauty. Their products are all natural and farm-grown. Tata Harper is known for high-quality formulations. One favorite is the Regenerating Cleanser. It gently exfoliates and leaves skin glowing. Everything is made fresh from their Vermont farm. For luxury clean skincare, try Tata Harper. Next up is Herbivore Botanicals. This brand focuses on minimalism and purity. Their products are vegan and cruelty-free. They use raw natural ingredients. Herbivore is transparent about their ingredients. A standout product is the Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. It clears pores and calms inflammation. It gives your skin a perfect glow without synthetic nasties. Drunk Elephant is making waves in clean beauty. They focus on a clean clinical approach. Their products suit even sensitive skin. They avoid the suspicious 6 ingredients. A must-try is the C Firma Fresh Day Serum. It's packed with vitamin C to brighten and firm skin. For clean ingredients and high-performance results, choose Drunk Elephant. Biosense is trending in clean beauty. They create effective and eco-friendly skincare. Biosense uses squalane from sugarcane. It's a natural, effective moisturizer. Try their Squalane plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. It hydrates, brightens, and firms skin. Biosense is committed to sustainability. Their clean ingredients and eco-friendly packaging are impressive. Lastly, we have Youth to the People. This brand uses superfoods for your skin. They're clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. They focus on plant-based ingredients like kale and spinach. A hero product is the Superfood Cleanser. It's gentle and nutrient-rich for daily use. Youth to the People uses sustainable glass packaging. It's a win for your skin and the planet.